Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, November 28, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, good morning. How do you feel today?
Hi David, good morning. I feel okay, and you?
I feel tired. Late night sales calls, coffee fixes it?
Yes, coffee is best. I add milk to mine.
Black for me, strong and hot.
Good choice. Busy day ahead?
Yes, many meetings. Clients call all day.
I have project updates. Team meeting soon.
Sounds good. Pour your coffee first.
Thanks. Machine works fast today.
Yes. Hey, did you see yesterday's news?
Some news. Tell me more.
First one is big. Trump has a peace plan.
Peace plan for where?
For Russia and Ukraine. He says it is ready now.
Ready? What does he say?
He calls it fine-tuned. Like a good sales deal.
Fine-tuned. Sounds careful.
Yes. Peace helps business, markets calm down.
True. Stable world means better sales for you.
Exactly. Clients buy more when no problems.
Europe trade grows. Good for projects too.
Right? No more high prices from issues.
But some say too quick. What do you think?
Maybe Trump knows deals, he fixes it.
Hope so. Less worry for everyone.
Like our office. Teamwork smooth.
Yes, no big fights here.
Coffee refill, mine is low.
Sure, I take more too.
Thanks, hot again. Perfect.
Now another news, Technology 1.
Tell me, I like tech news.
Ofcom in UK. New rules for social media.
Ofcom? They watch TV and radio?
Yes, now social media too. Big change?
Social media? Like Facebook and Twitter?
Yes, and apps like Spotify.
Spotify? For music?
Yes, they check content rules.
Content? What kind?
Ads and posts. IPA helps too.
IPA? Advertising people?
Yes, sports TV grows fast.
Sports? Like football games?
Yes, social media ads boom.
I use social for sales leads.
Me too. For project teams?
New rules hurt my posts.
Maybe. More checks on privacy?
Privacy? Like data safe?
Yes, protect users.
Good, but slow for business.
Rules make it safe. Think long term.
True. Clients want safe brands.
Projects need safe tech too.
Like our email rules here.
Exactly. Follow them.
Will do. Tech moves fast.
Yes, watch for changes.
Scary but exciting.
One more news. Sad Society 1.
Okay, what is it?
Army, Dr. Obgyn specialist.
Mean? For women health?
Yes, big scandal.
Scandal? Tell me.
He recorded women. Without permission.
Recorded? Like video?
Yes, private exams, dozens complain.
Dozens? That is 20 or more.
Yes, many women speak out.
Horrible? No trust there?
Trust broken, bad for doctor.
Like spy in clinic. Wrong.
Army investigates now.
Good. He loses job?
Probably, women are brave.
Yes. Speak up changes things.
Society gets better, more open.
In office, trust is key.
Yes, need client trust.
Projects need team trust.
Right, no secrets here.
Coffee cold. Last sip.
Time goes fast. Meeting calls.
Yes, boss emails me.
My team waits. Update time.
See you later. Good luck.
You too. Have a great day.
Thanks. Work smart.
Bye, David.
Bye, Alex.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.